Hi guys, Alfie here. And as you can hear, do you hear the amount of chaos? Do you hear the amount of chaos? Well, this is the reason.
I'm not taking a video of that one because it's over.
But this is the reason, basically. Basically, this is the reason. And that's the reason. What, do you like her?
Lola. Hello, Lola.
Hello, Lola.
You're a pretty girl. Lola's dancing.
Dance,
You
dance.
Dancing.
Save me.
Lola.
Look at her, guys, look at her. Oh, look at her wings.
Hello.
And as you can see in the background, you got the yellowfinch. But Lola, look at Lola. Look at her.
She's not anything older.
Lola. Hello, Lola.
Oh, black tongue.
Oh, what's that?
It's my car.
Lola.
I love her.
Hello, Lola.
And these are the African greys. Say hello to those guys. And these guys. Also mice here and rabbits. This is a pet shop of loads. I'm mostly excited about Lola. Oh, she said hello. Hello. Hello, Lola. Hello, Lola. Oh, she dropped a green feather. Hello, Lola. Hello, Lola. Hello, Lola. Hello, Lola. Hello.
They're pretty, aren't they, ladies? What are them now?
Which
one? The colours in that one's lovely.
no,
No,
that
the middle
one,
cage.
that's a Rosella. Yellow finches, Dad.
Stop.
Rosella's sold.
Okay, guys, this was just a short video about flipping Lola. Look at her.
How much would Lola cost then? Just